Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about English alphabet and difference between consonants and vowels. In the English alphabet, there are 24 letters. In the alphabet, there are 5 main vowels and one special vowel. The rest are consonants. Okay? Muri ino video tugiye kwiga ku nyuguti z'icyongereza. Mu cyongereza dufite inyuguti 24. Muri izo nyuguti 24 harimo inyajwi 5, indi nyajwi imwe ya gatandatu ariyo turi buze kureba. Izindi zose zisigaye ni ingombajwi. So tudatinze reka duhite twinjira muri video. Consonants, vowels. Consonants ni inyajwi, vowels ni ingombajwi. So reka dusome, nitumara gusoma turagenda no dusobanura akantu ku kandi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? This is the alphabet. Okay? Reka noneho dusobanukirwe akantu ku kandi dutandukanye inyajwi, dutandukanye ingombajwi n'inyajwi. Ubwo nabasobanuriye consonants bivuga ingombajwi, vowels bigasobanura inyajwi. Okay? A is a vowel. B consonant. C consonant. D consonant. E a vowel. F a consonant. G consonant. H consonant. I consonant. J consonant. Hano habaye kwibeshya. I ni vowel. J consonant. K consonant. L consonant. M consonant. N consonant. O a vowel. P consonant. Q consonant. R consonant. S consonant. T consonant. U consonant. V consonant. W consonant. X consonant. Y consonant. Remember, I told you Y is a special vowel. Sometimes it is a consonant and sometimes it is a vowel. So, rimwe na rimwe iyi Y ikoreshwa nk'ingombajwi cyangwa se igakoreshwa nk'inyajwi. Turi buze kubirabaho mu kanya. Z niyo nyajwi ya nyuma. Ariko turi kuri Z, hano hari aho UK basoma Z, abongereza basoma Z, mu gihe abanyamerika bo basoma Z. Ubwo nibavuga Z uzumva ko ari inyuguti ya Z bavuga, n'abazavuga Z uzumva ko ari inyuguti ya Z. Bizaterwa n'abaribo babivuga. Okay? Now, to help us remember quickly, mu gihe turi kuvuga ziriya nyajwi, you can say A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y. One more faster. A, E, I, O, U. Izo nizo ngombajwi. Now, let's look at some words. All words in English have vowels. One or maybe many vowels. Okay, let's look at the board. Reka turebe amagambo amwe n'amwe. Amagambo yose mu cyongereza agira inyajwi imwe cyangwa se inyajwi nyinshi. Okay, reka turebe aya magambo. ijambo rya mbere, the first word is cat. C is consonant, A is a vowel, T is consonant. Cat. Cat bivuga ipusi. Egg. Egg. E is a vowel, G consonant. Egg. Igi. Hit. Hit. H consonant, I vowel, T consonant. Hit. Hit bivuga gukubita cyangwa guhutaza. Top. 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 T consonant, O vowel, P consonant. Top bivuga hejuru. Cat. Cat. C consonant, U vowel, T consonant. Cat. Gukata. Remember, I told you that Y sometimes is used as a vowel and sometimes is used as a consonant. This Y. Rimwe na rimwe Y tuyikoresha nk'inyajwi, we tukayikoresha nk'ingombajwi. Reka tubone turebe aho tuyikoresha nk'inyajwi. Y. Y. In this word, Y sounds like I. So here it is a vowel. Muri iri jambo Y ikoreshwa nk'inyajwi, bivuze ko ahangaha yakoreshejwe nk'inyajwi. Y bivuze kubera iki? Bicycle. Bicycle. In this word, Y sounds like E. Bicycle. Bicycle. Igare. Pretty. Pretty. In these words, in these words, Y sounds like E. Pretty. Pretty. Pretty bivuga byiza cyangwa cyiza. Twabonye no tugiye kureba andi magambo aho Y ikoreshwa nk'ingombajwi. You bivuga wowe. Yes. Yes bikavuga yego. So, okay, that's the end of the video and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.